Hi, I'm Dr. Tabari. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about anxiety. Anxiety and its relationship with mind, body, and spirit. Let's get started. So we are going to talk about anxiety. What is anxiety? Anxiety is, all of you know, it's an unpleasant feeling that we have inside. It's just feel of unease inside. But the question is, why do we get anxiety? From Western point of view, the anxiety is technically a chemical imbalance in the brain. So there is some imbalance in the brain chemically, and we get anxiety. Today, I'm not going to talk about Western point of view. Of course, there are different medications. You've heard all those medications like Prozac, Paxil, Zoloft that we use, or people get therapy and they take care of their anxiety. But today I'm going to talk about mind, body, and spirit point of view and see what we can do for anxiety by using our mind, body, and spirit triangle. So let's get started. Body, mind, and spirit. So the goal is to take care of anxiety. But to take care of any problems, to fix any problems, the first thing that we know is to have some knowledge about that problem, about what's going on, what happens when things go wrong. Let me give you my example. The example is, let's say your car breaks down. You don't know what to do, it doesn't start or whatever. You have no idea what's going on. You take the car to a mechanic. In a few minutes, he runs some diagnostic and figures out what's going on and fixes the car for you. What he has that you don't have at that point is the knowledge. So he knows about the car, he knows about the parts, he knows how the parts work, he knows what happens when they don't work properly, and he knows how to fix it. So this is exactly what we are going to do now. The problem is anxiety, so we need to know what the problem is, we need to know where the problem is, and we need to know what organs are involved, and we need to know what we can do to help it. So we are going to see the anxiety from body, mind, and spirit point of view. First, let's look at the parts and look at the organs which are involved. We are going to start with body. In energetic point of view, the body has 5 main energetic organs. These organs are technically your main batteries in the body. So these main organs are your liver, your kidneys, your lungs, your heart, and your spleen. The function of these organs basically regulates your energy in your body. And a perfect energetic body, which everything is in balance, all these organs are in balance, when they are in balance, makes a perfect health. And of course, the balance between body, mind, and spirit. So let's go through these organs and see their relationship with anxiety. The first organ that I'm going to discuss today is the liver. Your liver is the main organ, one of the main organs in your body. Its function is to regulate a smooth flow of energy. Technically, your liver controls the smooth flow of the energy throughout your body. It means that if there is problem in the liver, if there is energetic problem in the liver, the energy cannot flow smoothly in the body. We have liver stagnation. We have a stagnation of the flow of energy. So what happens? If you have a stagnation of the flow of energy, the energy gets stagnant. When the energy gets stagnant in one area, it causes heat and problem. It causes inflammation. Technically, when you have liver stagnation, the liver does not produce its normal vibration. The vibration of the liver gets abnormal. This abnormal vibration of the liver affects the brain. So in the brain it resonates abnormal vibration, which this vibration gets sensed in your body as anxiety. So you feel anxious. The reason is you have liver stagnation. So the liver stagnation causes this anxiety at this point. Let's talk about another organ, kidneys. Your kidneys are your main batteries in the body. Your energy gets stored in the kidneys, you use it throughout the day, and you recharge it at night. So what happens when you have imbalanced kidney energy? When you are very low in energy in your kidneys, what happens is the vibration of the kidney changes. So you have a different vibration in your kidneys. This different vibration of the kidneys gets sensed in the brain, and the brain resonates the same abnormal vibration. This abnormal vibration gets sensed in your body as anxiety. You feel it as anxiety. You feel it as unpleasant feeling. You know something is wrong. You don't have any idea, but you have an internal fear. You have some unpleasant sensation inside. These all means that something is wrong. It's just an indication of energetic problem. Actually, anxiety is not a bad thing. Anxiety is an indication something is wrong, that you need to fix it. At this stage, everything is at energetic phase, which means that if you do all the tests that we have now, probably all of them are going to come back normal. Your CAT scan is going to be normal, MRI is going to be normal, blood work is going to be normal, because at this stage it's only energetic phase, that's all. But it's a lot easier to fix it at this stage before it turns to organic, before the anxiety eventually turns to some sort of cancer. Depends on your constitutional weakness in your body. Let's talk about the lungs. Lungs are also one of the main batteries in your body. They produce lots of energy throughout the day and help you stay healthy. You need a good balanced lungs energetically to have a good health. Let's say what happens. If your lungs energy are very low, again you have abnormal vibration. The vibration is not going to be normal when the energy is too low. This abnormal vibration again sensed in the brain as an abnormal thing, as an abnormal feeling. This abnormal feeling is an unpleasant feeling, which we call it anxiety. So the same thing, if you have imbalanced heart energy, you're gonna get this abnormal vibration in the brain, which gets sensed in your body as anxiety, unpleasant feeling. If you have abnormal spleen energetically, then you're gonna feel unpleasant. Your body is gonna tell you something is wrong, you need to fix it. So you get sense of anxiety. So as you see, if you have problems in the liver energetically, kidneys energetically, of course, lung, heart, or spleen, all of them have same symptom, anxiety. So treating anxiety the same way is not the best way to address this problem, because the treatment of liver stagnation is completely different from the treatment of kidney energy deficiency, from lung energy deficiency, from heart energy excess, or from spleen deficiency. So we have different sort of treatment for these different problems. So you're asking me now, okay, what can we do and how we can make the diagnosis where the problem is? So now the next step is we need to study the liver to see what's going on when we get liver stagnation, what are the signs and symptoms, which part of it I explained, and what we can do. Basically, since it's an energetic phase, the treatment is not that hard. Basically, certain type of diet, certain type of exercise, and some herbs, acupuncture, and of course meditation that I'm going to talk about it. Even just meditation alone significantly helps in the energetic imbalance in these organs, as I explained in my book. So the same thing for kidney energy deficiency. If you have kidney deficiency, you're very low in energy in the kidneys. So there are a specific type of meditations, exercise, specific type of diet. You have to avoid certain things to tonify your kidneys. So we are going to talk about this. So one of the component of this anxiety disorder in your body was the, of course, body. Now let's talk about the mind a little bit. As I explained before, mind has three components: conscious mind, subconscious mind, and superconscious mind. If you understand these three parts and you use your power, your knowledge, then you can address this anxiety. Let's say the problem is in the liver or the problem is in the kidney. You are gonna do your diet, you're gonna exercise, but the main thing that you're gonna need to do is, of course, meditation. Meditation helps in this part. Meditation is mindfulness, so it's gonna work at this level. So let's go back to our original drawing for the mind. Remember, the inner circle is conscious mind, the outer circle is subconscious mind, and this everything around it is superconscious mind. So you have control on this conscious mind, but you do not have much control on the subconscious mind and superconscious mind. You need to train it. When the data gets transferred to the subconscious mind and superconscious mind, things are done for you automatically. You do not need to do anything. But everything starts here. So what are the tools that you have in your conscious mind? You need to know the tools that you can use to train your conscious mind. Everything starts here. Then you need to find a way to transfer the data to subconscious mind, another knowledge that is very, very beneficial for you. And if you go even further and you can transfer the data from subconscious mind to the superconscious mind, then you're a genius. You are gold. You can move mountains. So what are your tools for conscious mind? Well, you are connected to your environment. Everything comes from your own environment, right? So you are connected to your environment through your five senses: your vision, your sense of smell, your taste, your hearing, and of course your sensations, to your touch. So if you look at this picture and see, the conscious mind has these five components, these five tools in its box. So you can use your vision, sense of vision, or you can use your hearing to affect your mind. And the mind can affect the body, and when they are all in perfect balance, then the problem gets resolved. So to resolve this problem, we have control. We can make some changes in our body through the five organs. We can make some changes in our mind. We can train our mind through conscious mind, subconscious mind, and superconscious mind. And we can affect our spirit that I talk about it more in the future videos. So in the future videos, I'm going to talk more about these three components, the different organs, and the different components of the mind, how we can do it. Mainly, there are different types of meditations that we can use to control our mind, to train our mind for better mindfulness. With this, we can control these five organs to get their energy back to a balanced status. And when all these things are in balance, the problem resolves on its own. So if you like to follow and if you are interested to learn more, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please click on the like button and of course subscribe. I would like to ask you to read my book. The name of the book is Heal Through the Mind. I explain all these components, mind, body and spirit, the organs, the different parts of the mind in my book, and different types of meditations. I think it's going to help you more as you follow the videos. And you can get the book from my website. Please visit my website. It's www.yourmindforheal.com, and you can order the book over there. Till next video, have a great life. Thank you very much for watching.